Hi, it's Kerry here. Today I'm looking at some of my favourite wild animals. My standing tiger, the clouded leopard, African elephant, hippo, rhino. Give a thumbs up if you like wild animals. The lioness with the cub, black panther. Can you tell me how many birds are in today's video? A jaguar, a snow leopard and a cheetah, and a puma. The African elephant. Both male and female African elephants have forward curving tusks which continue to grow throughout their lifetime. Their thick-set bodies rest on stocky legs and they have concave backs. Their large ears help them with heat loss. The upper lip and nose form a trunk. Elephants' mating rituals include the gentle entwining of trunks. They can swim using their trunk like a snorkel. The African elephant's trunk ends in two opposing lips, whereas the Asian elephant trunk ends in a single lip. I really like this one because of the trunk up in the air and the open mouth. I think it's a really good model. Leopard. The clouded leopards live in Asia. They are found in the rainforests of Indonesia to the foothills of the Nepali Himalayas. Their name comes from the cloud-like spots on their fur. Their coat provides excellent camouflage in their forest habitat. I like that long tail. It's about as long as the body, isn't it? They are great climbers and can even hang upside down beneath large branches. My favourite tiger, the standing tiger. The tiger is the largest cat species and easily recognised by the dark vertical stripes on orange fur with a lighter belly. Their striped body gives camouflage in long grass. Tigers have muscular bodies with powerful forelimbs, large heads and long tails. The small rounded ears have a prominent white spot on the back surrounded by black. When a tiger is defending, their ears will flatten like this one, the teeth are bared, the eyes narrow down into very thin slits and the tail hangs low. Quite a scary looking one. The pupils are circular with yellow irises. The hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is the third largest land animal after the elephant and the white rhinoceros. They are found in Africa. Hippos remain in the water for several hours during the day to stay cool. At dusk they come out to graze on grass. Hippopotamuses rest together in the water, but they like to graze by themselves. They have an almost hairless barrel-shaped body, short legs and a huge mouth as you can see there. I really like this one because the head is slightly turned. It's really good. Rhinoceros. The black rhino has a pointed upper lip like this one, while its white relative has a squared lip. The difference in lip shape is related to the animal's diets. Black rhinos live in savanna, shrub and tropical bush areas. They eat leaves, bushes, small tree branches and shoots. They have a thick protective skin, but it can be quite sensitive to sunburn and insect bites, which is why they like to wallow so much. When the mud dries, it acts as a protection from sunburn and insects. I like the white painted horns. On some models, they make the horns the same colour as the animal. The The Lioness and Cub. Lions are very social animals and live in groups called prides of about 10 to 15 animals. The size of the pride is determined by the availability of food and water. Female lions hunt in teams, using a semicircle formation, herding the prey towards the center before making the kill. The male lions guard the territory and protect the pride. The more members in the pride, the more successful the lions are at controlling their territory. Larger prides with more adult females not only produce more cubs as might be expected, but the females are a lot safer in these prides. The Black Panther. Panther actually refers to 3 different types of black big cats and include leopards, jaguars and cougars. Black panthers are great swimmers and climb trees with ease, often pouncing on prey from a tree and taking it down with a single bite to the neck. Its dark coat helps to hide it so it can stalk and attack prey at night. In Latin America they are known as black jaguar, in Asia and Africa as black leopard, and as black cougar in North America. The Amur Leopard. The Amur Leopard is a subspecies of the leopard. They live in forests in the colder regions of the Russian Far East and northeastern China. These leopards have slightly longer legs than other leopards. This may be to help them walk in the snow. Their long, thick coats are marked with widely spaced rosettes that have thick rings with dark centres. In the winter, their fur grows to over 7 centimetres to protect them from the cold. In summer, the fur is only 2.5 centimetres long. The North American lynx is the biggest species of lynx, and some of these individuals have extremely thick and fluffy looking fur, which keeps it warm in the freezing Canadian winters. The European and Asian lynx species are much smaller in size. Lynx are able to climb trees and swim in order to catch their prey. They have extremely acute hearing, which allows them to hear approaching prey and predators over long distances. The Jaguar. Jaguars are the largest of South America's big cats and the 3rd largest big cat in the world. They enjoy the water and are quite good swimmers and like to catch fish, turtles or caimans, which are small alligators, by stalking them and then leaping into the water. Jaguars are quite clever and climb trees to ambush larger prey like deers by leaping out of the tree and killing the prey with one powerful bite. Jaguars live in dense rainforests and forests. The snow leopard. These rare, beautiful grey snow leopards live in the steep, rocky mountains of Central Asia. They cannot roar. To keep warm, they have thick fur, and their wide, fur-covered feet act as natural snowshoes. They use their long tail for balance and as a blanket to wrap around themselves when sleeping to keep warm. In the summer months, snow leopards hunt goats and sheep and other small animals high up in the mountains. In the colder winter months, they migrate from the mountains to the lower forests. Snow leopards have pale green or grey eyes. They store fat in their tail. The cheetah can be easily identified by their sleek body and unique black spots on gold or yellow coats. They are known for their amazing speeds of up to 64 miles per hour or 103 kilometers per hour in brief spurts. The cheetah's spotted fur helps camouflage it in the grass so that it can ambush prey. It is well built for speed with its finely tuned, powerful, sleek body. They like to hunt at dawn and dusk by stalking, catching and killing their prey by knocking it over and then suffocating their prey with pressure on the throat. Pumas produce a variety of vocalizations but cannot roar. The puma is also known as the cougar, mountain lion and panther. It is a powerfully built and extremely agile cat. These cats have a long slender body with long back legs, which are used for high speed running and pouncing on prey. The cat has a long neck, a small broad head, short rounded ears that are black on the back and a long cylindrical tail with a black tip. The coat is one colour and the underside on the belly is a whitish colour. The sides of the muzzle are black. Pumas are most active at dawn and dusk. Thank you for watching my video. It really helps if you can share my videos on any of the social media sites that you like to visit. See you again soon.